Found a BFS file in your BigFish Games installation folder? This is a data file used by games from the BigFish Games platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these BigFish Games data files contain and how to handle them. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest, have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens BFS files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. Users encounter BFS files in the installation directories of games from BigFish Games. They are typically looking to modify the game, modding, troubleshoot issues, or understand the game's structure. These files are data archives containing game assets like graphics, sounds, and level data. The BFS format is a proprietary binary archive designed by BigFish Games to package game assets into a single container. This approach simplifies distribution, protects assets from casual modification, and can improve loading times by reducing the number of individual file read operations required by the game engine. The official utility recommended for the BFS file is BigFish Games by BigFish Games, Inc. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows shows no usable preview for most game assets, so specialized software is required. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the BFS file and click Open With. Test BigFish Games if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If your BFS file will not open yet, do not panic. A format as specific as BFS will always reject general methods. We must verify these key parameters on our checklist before attempting a guaranteed solution. First, letting the game use the file. BFS files are managed automatically by BigFish Games and the games that use them. They should not be manually modified or extracted, as this may violate the BigFish Games terms of service and break the game. Allow the game and BigFish Games manager to handle these files normally. Next, reinstalling corrupted games. If a BFS file becomes corrupted causing game errors, reinstall the affected game through BigFish Games Manager. The manager downloads fresh copies of all game files, including BFS data, ensuring proper integrity. This is the supported method for resolving issues with BigFish Games installations. Finally, verifying game files. Use BigFish Games Manager's Verify feature to check game file integrity. Right-click the affected game in the manager and select Verify or Repair. The tool checks BFS files against expected checksums and re-downloads any corrupted or missing files, restoring the game to working condition. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.